Namaskar dosto. Today is 19th May 2021. Welcome to my channel Trade Plan Nifty. This channel is my journey in stock market where on this specific video on daily basis I disclose my trade plan for a Nifty for the next trading session, review my today's trade, share my learning and MTM at the end of the video. I hope these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas. So before we get into Lalaji, let's have a look into global market. We see massive sell-off which is happening in global market. But interesting thing to be note here is that S&P 500 after a gap down, it almost crossed 50 bar moving average and now has taken a support on 50 bar and has started recovering. And this particular candle which it is forming is a reversal candle. So like my last video where I said that S&P 500 will now have a consolidation between 4171 and 4055. Similarly, the same pattern is what we see forming. So it means the sell-off is done and now S&P 500 is recovering. So we have to read this little differently that the global market are actually coming back. Now, when we look into US 10-year government bond yield, yeah, I'm sorry. So the US 10 bond government yield has almost touched 1.67 today, and now from there it has started going down and it is now coming at 1.628. So this is earlier at the start of the day, it was a fearful situation, but now it is recovering. So it is going down. So this is also a good sign for an emerging market. And now when you look into dollar index, what we see, the dollar index is at bottom somewhere closer to 89.88 and we see a small green candle forming here. But the value itself is below 90. So this is also a good sign. So the way I like to interpret global market is that the sell-off because of crypto news and high inflation is somewhere market is observing that part, and because US 10-year government bond yield is going down again, it will be a support to a equity market globally. But we need to see tomorrow morning how S&P 500 is actually getting close. So whether it is taking a support at 50 or it is going down. But as of now, we see that global markets are taking support on 50 bar moving average. Now, when we look into a Lalaji, what we see is that on weekly basis, Lalaji is definitely in uptrend. It is close above 8, above 20, above 50 and above 200. And it is at one end of a consolidation and on the top side, which is at 15112. And today it has closed below my magical line, which is 15047. I believe in using a very simple trade setup. If you want to know more about my trade setup, then please check out my video called Trade Setup on my YouTube channel, Trade Plan Nifty. But on weekly basis, market is definitely in uptrend. Now on daily basis, what we see is that today market again couldn't cross 15122, which is monthly H4, and we have found a reversal pattern here. And this today significantly market has closed below 15047, that is below my magical line. So this could be maybe a start of a reversal from 15,100 122, but we have to see how this is shaping up. Having said that, market is still above 8, above 50 and above 20, so definitely in uptrend. Now when we look into 15-minute chart is where we see a reversal clearly in picture. So here market has closed below 50, below 20, below 8, but still above 200. So in a short term, market is definitely in showing a sign of reversal. Now market has a very strong support at 14,884, which is combination of weekly L3, 200 bar moving average, as well as monthly H3. So this is a very strong support for market. And if this is broken, then the next support for a market, a strong support for a market, will be at 14,600, which is a monthly pivot as well as culmination of my black, blue, and a weekly L3. So 14,600 is the next support, and 14,884 is the immediate support for the market. So on moving average, 15 minute in short term, we see some kind of weaknesses out here. Now, when we look into market profile, what we see here is that tomorrow's CPR is below today's CPR. So this confirms the bearish sign signal in the market. So market profile confirms that market is turning bearish. Now, when we look into SGX, is what gonna define the tomorrow's move. So currently SGX is at 15,000. It is hovering between 15,000 and 15,020 and that kind of number. At one point of time, it has gone as low as 14,050, if I'm not wrong. But currently, it is at 15,009. So when we say it currently at 15,009, and we assume that this is where the market is going to open tomorrow, then this open will be below CPR and below today's range. And if that happens, then we will have open which is out of range and out of value, and we may see a trending day in downward direction. So for tomorrow, my trade plan is sell on rise. Tomorrow pivot is at 15057, and Camarilla H3 is at 15064, which is just below TC. So any opening below pivot is sell on rise. We also have 15047, a black line, my magical line. So this will also act as a strong resistance for the market. So tomorrow strategy is sell on rise if market opens below pivot, which is at 15057. And for any reason by morning, if S&P SPX S&P 500 recovers and market is opening above pivot, then the dynamics has changed, and then you would like to wait for a market to have a breakout at 15122 to take a fresh position on the upside. So that's my plan. Sell on rise, assuming that market is opening below pivot, and if market opens above pivot, then I would like to wait and see if we see a breakout above 15122 or today's high. So that's my trade plan. I hope these discussions have added value to your trade setup and trading idea for tomorrow. Please consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. So now let's review what happened today. So yesterday I couldn't make a video, but it was very clear that market is finding resistance at 15122, and in the morning when the market opened up, my trade plan was to sell on rise, and on this red bar, I on this green bar actually I went ahead and I entered my first lot of 15,000 PE. Then on this red bar I entered second lot. Then when market up went up on this green bar, I came out of the market on cost to cost basis and immediately took an entry on this particular red bar. Then the market went down, and then on this green bar I exited one lot, and now I'm carrying one lot of 15,000 PE home. So this is my orders for the today. First two bar entry, then sell off, then two, and then one exit. And now currently I'm having one lot which I'm carrying home. So let's see what happens tomorrow. I will not exit my position unless and until previous day high, that is today's high, is broken out comfortably tomorrow. So previous day high, that is today's high, will be my stop loss for my position which I'm carrying home, and I look forward to enter another two lot if market goes on sell on rise at a price reversal at pivot. Was the learning for today? Learning for today was that when I'm carrying two lot, my idea is that I'm going to carry only one lot home, not two lot home. So one lot I should always keep my target, and I should have exited closer to S2, which is on this particular either on this green bar or on this green bar bottom, and would have made a little bit more profit. So always keep a target in mind for at least one lot. and carrying one lot home and maintaining that discipline is a good habit. And I'm going to continue playing only with two lot for at least another 1 month to get my trade management and profit booking aligned and have more confidence on my trade setup. So that's my um, that's how the things are running for me. Thank you very much to all my new followers, and please stay healthy, wear mask. Jai Hind, and please come back tomorrow to see how which trade I have taken.